In this video, we'll be telling about how to start new channel in Telegram. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After that, down here you can see pencil like button. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see one option, new channel. Click on new channel. When you're clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here they are asking to enter channel name. For example, I am entering one name. After that, next to that, you can see one camera like button. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select your channel's profile photo. For example, I am selecting this photo. You can adjust this photo according to your need. If you want, you can edit this photo. Anyways, after everything is completed, click on this tick button. When you're clicking on that, that profile photo will be ready. After that, down here you can see description. If you want, you can add description. Anyways, after that, here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see channel type. By default, it is set to public channel. That means anyone can search and find your channel. If you want to make it private channel, you can select private channel. After this, anyone can join this channel through invite link only. They cannot search and find this channel. Anyways, for example, I am setting it as public channel. So I am selecting public channel. If you are making public channel, you need to enter one link. For example, I am entering one link. Important thing you should notice that this public link is unique ID. So make sure that it is not taken by anyone else. When I am entering this link, it is showing this link is already taken. So you should try different name. Now this link is available. Anyways, after that what you need to do is above you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your contacts page. From your contacts, you can select the contacts which you want to add to this channel. For example, I am selecting this contact. You can select any number of contacts. Anyways, after that, down here you can see one arrow mark. Click on this arrow mark. When you are clicking on that, your channel will be created. Now here you can see new Telegram channel. So this way you can easily create one Telegram channel. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.